Today we are going to draw a cheese piece in Procreate. We'll start by putting a dark background and then take monoline brush for doing the outline. We'll draw a triangular figure like this with rounded corners. Once the shape is done, we will fill it with a color. The color that I have used in this illustration are all given in the description. You can download the palette and load it in your Procreate app to use them. Next, I reduce the brightness of the background. Once that is done, we will again go back and add some blurriness or softness to the edge of the cheese piece. Once the softness has been added, now we will create some kind of grooves on the surface of the cheese. We are mainly using the soft brush to do the depth. We again took the monoline brush, hold with 3 fingers to create exact round, and then fill it with the color. Next, I add some character by drawing some eyes and mouth to the cheese piece. I'm mainly using monoline brushes to draw the outline and then fill it with a color. All the colors I'm using in this illustration has been given in the description. Next, I add some specular highlight on the surface. And finally add some refractive depth to the color. Next, I'm adding a drop of cheese. I'm creating the illusion of depth by adding some kind of darkness and then some sharp specularity to the drop. Next, I duplicated the layer and filled it with a dark color. Then I moved and transformed and then further blurred to create a shadow effect. I'm making multiple copies of that drop and then using transform and warp tool to create the different shapes of the drop. Next, I add some limbs to the cheese piece to add even more character to it. And finally, I add some shadow of the whole object and add some blur to make it look softer. I finally add 2 more drops of cheese from that object. And there you go. The cheese piece is ready.